What are some things in the upcoming roadmap for OpenHands that people should be looking towards?
We're increasingly focused on these tech debt and code maintenance type tasks. So we're seeing across many organizations, they're finding these like very repeatable workflows that they go through. So an organization might have, 1,000 Java repos within their org. Maybe 80% of them are still running Java version 8 and they need to get updated to Java version 21. And so they'll figure out, with maybe a handful of these repos, what is the process like for using an agent to go from 8 to 21? And they'll kind of build some intuition for the problem. And then once they've figured out like what's a good repeatable process here, they can encode that in Python code using the OpenHands SDK. And now they've got like a repeatable, recipe, a repeatable playbook that they can throw out every single one of their repos. And then often what they'll do is they'll take a subset, maybe a dozen, something like that, and try out this recipe and see, okay, what's our success rate? Is it 30%? Is it 80%? And they'll iterate until they're getting like a really good success rate, and then they can throw it at the 1,000 repos that are affected by this Java upgrade need, right? And that's a huge lift for that engineering org, because now instead of creating a ticket for every single one of those teams, you can just create a pull request and say, hey, we did the work for you. All you have to do is eyeball this, make sure it looks good, and you can just merge it and be done.